Why don't seniors need an iPhone tutorial? Because they always say, I don't need Siri to find my glasses, they're always on top of my head. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on iPhone tutorial for seniors. Tip 1. Learn the basics. In order to get started with your iPhone, you first need to understand the basic operations. This involves learning how to turn the phone on and off, how to charge it, and how to adjust the volume or brightness. It's also beneficial to know things like how to take a screenshot, how to lock the screen, and how to use Siri. These basic functions are essential to operating your phone on a day-to-day basis. Tip 2. Use the magnifier. For seniors with visual impairments, the iPhone's built-in magnifier can be quite handy. To activate it, go to Settings, followed by Accessibility and then Magnifier. Once it's turned on, you can simply triple-click the side button to start it up. Use the sliders to adjust the level of zoom and brightness, and never strain to read small text again. Tip 3. Enable larger text. Apart from the magnifier, another tool that can help with visibility is the larger text option in Settings. This lets you increase the default text size on your iPhone, making it easier to read messages, emails, and web content. You can find it in the Display and Brightness section under Settings. Tip 4. Get acquainted with the simplified layout. For seniors who find the typical smartphone layout a bit overwhelming, Apple has a simplified layout option. Go to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and finally select Home Screen Layout. Here you can choose the option that presents larger icons with fewer apps per page. Tip 5. Set up Medical ID. Your iPhone can keep all your crucial medical information easily accessible in case of an emergency. You can add such details to the Health app where you can create your medical ID. This can include any conditions, allergies, and medications, which could be vital information for healthcare professionals in an emergency. Tip 6. Understand the Control Center. The Control Center is a hub where you can quick tweak your iPhone settings. You can change things like screen brightness, Wi-Fi connection, and volume here. To access it, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Seniors should familiarize themselves with the Control Center to simplify iPhone usage. Tip 7. Use VoiceOver for auditory guidance. With VoiceOver, your iPhone can read out loud texts and buttons on the screen. This is especially helpful for seniors with vision problems. You can enable this by going to Settings, then Accessibility, and choose VoiceOver. Tip 8. Set up touch accommodations. If you find it difficult to interact with the screen due to tremors or lack of precision, you may need to adjust how the touchscreen responds. You can find options for this in Settings under Accessibility and then Touch. Here, you can adjust the touch duration and sensitivity. Tip 9. Learn how to download apps. There are many apps designed to make life easier for seniors. These include health monitoring apps, reading assistance apps, and memory jogging apps. Learn how to download them from the App Store, how to grant them necessary permissions, and how to use them thereafter. Tip 10. Use Find My iPhone. This feature allows you to locate your phone in case you misplace it. You just need another device like a computer or iPad to log into your Apple ID and track your iPhone's location. This can also be helpful for caregivers who need to know the whereabouts of their elderly loved ones. Tip 11. Reach out for help. If you're having severe difficulty navigating your iPhone, reach out for help. You could ask a family member or friend, or make use of Apple's accessibility support. Apple's support comes with several tutorials and guides to assist you, and you can also contact them directly for more personalized help.